Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Volkswagen Tiguan, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulb in this car. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. It's actually very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. Find the latch over here, raise it up, secure it with the stand over here. Now I'm gonna show you on this side. This side is same exact. So what we're doing here, we're gonna get our hand in. Here's the lid, so we're gonna spin the lid. That's it. So remove the lid. Now further inside we have this, see this plastic black piece, this one. So just grab on it and spin this one and get it out. Very simple, as you can see. That's it. Now to remove this bulb, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab over here and wiggle it off like this. Okay, so you can see, very simple. Just wiggle it off. Go to the parts store, get yourself an H7 bulb. When you have a replacement bulb, same way you replace it, just put it back in, wiggle it in. Okay, that's it. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to put it back in the same spot. In the bulb, just spin it till it clicks. That's it. Now it's in. As you can see, that's the bulb right there. You see it moves. That's it. Very simple. When you're done, just put the cap on and spin it to secure it. Make sure it's nice and solid. That's it. Just make sure it's nice. Okay, yeah, this is it. Also, if you have to change this light here, same exact procedure. So for this light over here, you get the cap off, then you're gonna spin this cover right here, this connector right here. That's it. This is how you spin it. Okay, see the bulb is different, and same way get it in. So if we're gonna spin it like this, that's it. It has to go, no, one more. Hop, till it clicks. As you can see right now. I know it's hard to see, but make sure that the pins, these pins right here, okay, these pins right here, they have to go up. So just spin it. When they up, they are in place. Take the lid, close the cap, and you're all set. So this is it. This is the whole procedure. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.